Hey folks, here are OS Reviews. You're watching our video review of the Geartist GB01, a sub $30 wireless transmitter for use in car audio systems. Essentially, if your car currently lacks Bluetooth 4.0, you can use this to then connect a smartphone or a tablet wirelessly into your speaker system in your car and then play back music files. So it's pretty cool. How it connects into your car's audio system is using FM radio. So it's going to create a channel transmission, and you go into the same FM radio station using your car's radio, and it uses Bluetooth to connect the receiver to your phone. So it's a totally wireless process going on here in a system that's relatively unique. You can find this product on Amazon.com and also from the company's website. It's fairly inexpensive and the packaging is pretty nice. There's a simple dual USB adapter, one that you need to use for powering the transmitter and one you can have for charging your phone. So it has a interesting feature there, and the packaging is pretty nice, just some basic information in the back. Our review unit actually was shipped within 3 days, so very fast shipping as well. And inside you have access just to a 3M sticky pad, which allows you to actually stick the transmitter onto your dashboard so it won't move around when you're driving your car. You will also find access to the cigarette lighter, which is also the power port, one for 2 amps, one for 1 amp. So the 2 amp is going to work for your larger tablets like a iPad or Android device as well. And the cigarette lighter part actually is crafted out of metal as well, so it feels pretty sturdy and well made. In addition, you have access just to an additional sticky pad, I guess, in case you lose one. And finally, in here, you have access just to the receiver, which is crafted out of metal and plastic material, so it feels relatively premium. It has a glossy piano black surface, which tracks a bit of fingerprints, and there's an actual LCD screen on the front that shows you the channel that you're using for transmitting the signal. So it's going to display the signal here, and you can have to match the channel using your car's FM radio feature. And basically there's a few controls on the very top: the FM key for changing the channel, a play pause key for changing the music, a volume up, volume down for changing the loudness of the music you want to play back using your phone. And the back just basically attaches onto this pad over here. It uses magnets, so a very strong connection. You can also twist it around in your car after it's being attached. You simply remove the 3M pad and stick it into place. The other side just features a USB port for power. It's actually a USB 3.0 port, which is interesting. The cord length is fairly long. It's not going to really dangle around too much, and you can then place it into the 1 amp port. It's going to be sufficient power to completely the cigarette lighter plugged into the wall. Just for a quick demo purpose, you can see there's an LED indicator which flashes blue once power is received through the lighter. The actual unit itself will then power itself on. The display is fairly bright and vibrant. There is a backlight, so you will be able to see it even in darker environments, and you can see that the entire front of the unit is starting to pulse and flash, which means that we are currently in the pairing mode. It's going to turn that feature on automatically. Using our smartphone, we can see that the Bluetooth link is actually called the GB01, the name of the device itself. I can simply press once to pair it, and afterwards the flashing will stop and occasionally pulse once every few seconds to initiate the entire connection. I can then change the volume up and down by pressing that on my phone. It's going to change the volume, play and pause. I can will change that if I'm playing back a song on my phone. And a nice feature of the Geartist GB01 is that if you are listening to music, it's automatically going to pause and stop the music if you have an incoming call. The very top here also features a microphone, so you can directly talk into this without having to talk into your phone if this is placed on your dashboard. So it makes talking on the road a little bit more safe, and it also creates a better and more polished experience, I would say. And after you're finished with talking, it's automatically going to resume with the music that you were playing back. So a seamless experience overall. Now the music experience of the GB01 is pretty good. There's not too much static going on. Of course, because you are using an FM transmission, it's not going to be as clear as a corded or a wired connection, just because it's wireless and there's a bit of audio that's going to be lost through the entire conversion process of Bluetooth through then FM signals. With that being said, most songs are pretty loud and they are generally crisp and pretty pleasing to hear as well. And I can again change the station of my FM radio just by pressing on the FM key over there, and I can change and toggle between several different channels in case I'm experiencing some more interference with one. The concept behind the GB01 isn't anything new. We do like the overall construction quality and the build of the GB01. We like the fact there's a backlit display and the fact that the Bluetooth link is very strong. We also like the fact that you can play your music in addition to talk to the product and use it as a speakerphone when on the road, which makes traveling a little bit more safe. The magnetic connection on the very back is very secure, and it creates a sense of confidence when using the product overall. You can check out more details about this product in our full range review down in the description box below, but this has been our video. Thanks for watching. Here are OS Reviews.